Hey y'all, it's Dan for Numerical Lion coming at you from a secret undisclosed location to talk about this secret undisclosed until recently practice called gematria, this practice of coding numbers into letters. And here's a story I saw today. All these people in face masks. Here's what health experts say about face masks, right? Listen to the corporate media. Read what the corporate media has to say about your health. They don't care about your health, but let's look at the story, okay? Updated at 10:53 on April 3rd, 2020. To read a little bit of the story, should you or shouldn't you wear a face mask during the coronavirus pandemic? Here's what health organizations and top experts say. All right. The U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention say the organization recommends that if you are not sick, you do not need to wear a face mask unless you are caring for someone who is sick. However, if you are sick, you should wear a face mask when you're around other people. World Health Organization says mask wearing by the general public is not among the WHO's recommendations. Dr. Anthony Fauci, the director of National Institute of Allergy, says because of some recent information that the virus can actually be spread even when people just speak as opposed to coughing and sneezing, the better part of valor is that when you're out and you can't maintain that 6 foot distance to wear some sort of facial covering. So then CNN's Sanjay Gupta says he explained that masks could help people who have coronavirus but not have symptoms from spreading the virus. The way to think about this mask issue is that it's not really still for people who are not infected. This is more for people who might be infected and don't know it and try to lower the likelihood that they will spread this to someone else. So, anyway, let's get into it. The decode here, everything. First of all, the headline itself is a decode. Here's what health experts are saying. Put the here in there. Here's what health experts are saying about face masks. 431, the 83rd prime, like coronavirus, like murder. Right? Also, if you use the KV exception, so that's interesting. Coronavirus with the full KV exception equals 83. The single reduction, where S is 10 and V remains 22, it's 83. Also, that number of murder, these numbers we're seeing over and over again in the media constantly. So let's get to the decode, and I'll show you why they're picking these people to talk about it. First, let's look at this picture here. Why does it say entrance only? Nobody looks happy here. Of course, with the face mask, you can't talk to anybody. It makes it hard to talk. See the one guy that doesn't have a face mask, right? Hard to talk to people. And, if you got their earbuds in, it's even harder to talk to people. This guy's got earbuds and a face mask, and some people wear sunglasses as well. It's like social distancing on a new level. So notice the clip is 2 minutes and 7 seconds, or 27. They're waiting in line, it looks like. Here on a day with 27 numerology, it's being reported 27, the ritual number. It's the new ritual, lining up to go into a store. I make fun of it every time I go, just like, oh, is this for the concert? Is this where we get the concert tickets? And some people smile because they know this is bullshit. And other people don't even look at you, look at you mean like this is serious business. Don't fool around. Don't stand so close to me. So it says entrance only. Entrance only equals 56. Seen that number again and again. Coronavirus 56. That's why it says entrance only. And I was thinking too, with entrance only, like I was at the Walmart near my town and there was only one entrance and one exit. Like I got my purchase and I went out the door. I tried to go out the door, but the door was closed. It's like, you only go in that way. So what if there's a fire? Like everybody's going out the same entrance? Anyway, so Center for Disease Control and Prevention equals 420. 420, kind of like 42. Like face masks, that's what we're talking about. 42. Also the KV exception, face masks is 33. I'll show you why that's interesting. So that's why we're talking to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention. Really, it should be the opposite. So here's really what they're saying. You do not need to wear a face mask unless you're caring for someone who is sick. That equals 349. 349, a prime number. The 70th prime. Happens on a day with 7 numerology. 70 is 7. Coronavirus, of course, 70. This number over and over and over again. With a full reduction KV, it's 308. And that's interesting because the World Health Organization, 308. Also 137, 308. Kind of like 38, like murder, death, killing. Also like COVID-19 equals 38. The other guy that we talked about in the article, Anthony Fauci, equals 137, just like World Health Organization. Also 56, just like coronavirus, just like entrance only. 137, of course, the 33rd prime number. Masonry, 33. Face mask, 33, as I mentioned before. And then we got Sanjay Gupta, the last dude. 36 and 63. More familiar numbers. If you've been following this, COVID-19, 63 and 36. That's why Sanjay Gupta is the other guy talking about it. It's just more news by the numbers as usual. You know, wear your face mask. Practice your social distancing. What a joke this whole thing is. It's all about control. They don't care about your health. You think these organizations care about your health? You think these people care about your health? Absolutely not. You know? So insane. But this is the new world we live in. So what are you going to do about it? You got to speak out before it's too late. You got to learn the code. Tell people all about it. Thanks so much for your time. Have a good day, evening,